Hello, welcome to the channel. Right, I had done a video for ages. We had that much to do, to be honest. We've been relatively busy on the shop. I'm just doing some, there's some rust spots on the rover, so we're just doing them. There's one on each wing. It's just starting to bubble, and I just don't want it to go any further. Normal places in the corners there, so we just filled them. There's just some knifing putty on there now to fill the last little holes in. So I've done that, but I just wanted to do a little video on the bumpers. These bumpers are pretty grey. So to get the bumpers looking like this, a lot shinier, a lot blacker, instead of this, we use a heat gun on a highish setting. You can see I've started on this corner there, get it quite close, and you start to see it turn black, as you can see there. Don't get it too hot where it's going to start melting it, but just enough to start turning it black. And this should stay a lot longer than using back to black or any gels and stuff. But if you wanted to put gel over the top of this, then you can, it'd be even better. You can see it turning now, look. Got on your classic cars with the your modern classics with these black bumpers. It's a really good way to just make it look a bit fresher. As you can see, it don't take that long. So I'll continue on with that. You can see where I've missed and where I've done, and you can see it's a lot darker than it was before. I've done that bit. But once you back to black there, as well as doing that, makes a big difference to the car. So if you want to make your bumpers look darker and get the original colour back, heat gun, that was set to heat number 2. It's only got 2 settings, this one. Heat number 2, you know, ½ inch away from me, and just move it slowly like that. And then we should be getting some more videos on Land Rovers, so please continue to subscribe. We're looking for something, looking for another project to do. If you know of anything, if you've got anything, give us a shout, and comment below, and we'll get back to you. So please like and subscribe. See you soon.